up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, my name is Claudia Works, and today I'm coming live from the streets of Eastleigh, these beautiful streets of Eastleigh. And not that it's been raining, and on today's video I want to know why Jamaica is trending. Each and everyone is talking about Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. I want to know if Eastleigh people know why this country is trending. Man, hi bro.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
It's been a while, man.
Yeah, you want to get lost. Oh, why?
you know, these rains have done that thing, you know?
Yeah. It's raining so heavy.
Yeah, it's raining. Even now, hey, you have a nice smile, man. What do you think Jamaica is trending? Jamaica,
Yeah,
everyone is talking about Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica.
Jamaica is trending. You know, there was those issues of Vybz Kartel. You know, we're fan of reggae music. You are waiting for the release of Vybz Kartel. Because I do love Mavado, but it would be much better if Vybz Kartel would come out so that the reggae music could go up more fire, you know?
Yeah.
Because those two guys, when they both sing, it's just wow. Yeah.
So, okay, there was this question I was asking people. Why do you think African people love Jamaica?
You know...
You yourself, do you love Jamaica?
Of course I love Jamaica.
Oh my God, Jamaica! Why do you think they love Jamaica?
Yeah, because of their heritage, you know. Some of us believe we have brothers who went there in Jamaica, you know. Jamaica, we have Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobacco, those sides.
Yes.
So we really feel good when we hear that they are progressing, you know.
Yeah.
They are our brothers and sisters. Yeah, their music also, you know, one reggae, things like that. It just make us feel
one leg.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So Jamaican people, they are our brothers and sisters, right?
Yeah.
Can you give us a history of how Jamaican people or Caribbean people found themselves in Caribbean?
Yeah, during that time, you know, history tells us that it was what we call slave trade. So people are coming from Africa and other parts of the world towards those sides, were heading to those European countries. Yes, that's for the purpose of making them slaves. You know, it just didn't go well with us, but you know, they say anybody who forgets his roots is not fit to be called by the roots. So most of the guys who went to Jamaica, they still remember that Africa was their home. Yeah, so mostly they do relate with us, and we know some of those guys, they are our brothers and sisters. So we wish them always well. But when we see them progress, we feel good.
Oh,
that's why
yeah, we are happy for you.
Yeah, that's why we love Jamaica.
And you know that like nowadays, most of Jamaican people are relocating to Africa.
Yeah, I know that, and they're not even going to other countries.
They are coming to their motherland, and we love that. Jamaican people, we love to see all you here in Africa, right?
Yes, we love you guys in Jamaica. I want to see you back here in Africa.
Yes.
Wow.
Can you sing for them like one song, reggae song maybe?
Come on, everybody. Come on and hear what I have to say. Come on and listen, and I will tell you. What is the talk of town today and everywhere that you may walk and say go for people talk. There are no sky like it that talk about what's happening there in Jamaica.
Oh my God! Thank you so much. And bro, how are you? Hi, my God. My brother, how are you? You're good.
You love Jamaica.
Oh, you love Jamaica. This guy is happy. This guy is happy. Sorry for that. Say something about Jamaica.
Okay. Today I'm not going to talk about Jamaica.
Tell him to sing one song.
I didn't know I didn't know that I was going to get you. Today I can't talk about.
You are happy, man. Okay, thank you so much. Guys, it's raining. Oh my God. Look at the rain. The situation here is not situationing. Yeah, bro. Oh, I put it on YouTube. Okay.
Inabidi tukae na picha yake, si ndio? Alipita na hatujui bana.
You were saying that girl looks just down there.
Ni mimi. Nimekawia kukuja huku.
Naona ukipita hivi. Musa ananiambia. Musa anamwambia wanafanana.
Simuitisha coffee. Oh my god.
Wapi sasa?
Huku kwa mtatu. Haona watu wanauza coffee. Kabla kuna baridi.
Nilikuona ukilima. Kama unajua kulima.
Najua sana. Nilikuwa ushago. Oh bro, how are you? You're good. You seem to be so busy.
Bana.
Oh. Haya sawa sawa.
Nasema Musa si hiki litamwangusha huko msichana rada nalo.
Tunajua tumelelewa huko. So wacha nitembee nakuja tuongee.
Ongea na mzee. Sasa anaongeleshangaje kama
girlfriend. Sawa. Niko hapa around eh. Why do you think Jamaica is trending?
Yeah.
Why do you think Jamaica is trending?
Jamaica is trending because its popularity is famous.
Why is it famous?
Because of the artists, reggae artists.
Like who?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
reggae
so
artists,
many.
like which reggae artist?
Yeah, there's the Richie Spice. There are so many.
There's Bob Marley.
There are very many.
Okay. Can you name like 5?
Like
We want 5.
Joseph Hill, Bunny Wailer.
Who else? Can you
Richie Spice.
Oh, sing for us one reggae song.
Yeah.
Sing for us one reggae song.
I can say like the one No Woman No Cry by Bob Marley. I like the song.
We like the song?
Yeah.
Haya, tuendelee. Tuendelee.
Yeah.
Tuendelee. Guys, it's raining. That's why we are here. Hey, let's continue. Tuka trade ya Queen Reggae.
No Woman No Cry.
Tuendelee.
Nasikia bana kuongea na wewe.
Unataka kuongea na mimi? Kuhusu Jamaica. Tuendelee. Tumeimba one sentence. Tuendelee.
I can't remember I know only caller.
Let's sing the chorus.
Yeah. No woman no cry. I need a give you and I can't. That is for the spy.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
You know me.
I
I'm
know
the
you.
famous girl here in the street.
Claudia,
Claudia, what? Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah.
Bro, how are you? You're good? Why do you think Jamaica is trending? Yeah?
Because they legalize ganja.
Jamaica iko sawa. Jamaica is good. Why do you think Jamaica is good?
I know that because napenda Jamaica sababu nini? I'm a smoker.
You are a smoker.
Napenda ganja.
Hey, look at this. It looks like a weed, man.
Same.
Oh my God. Unapenda Jamaica sana?
Napenda sana hata nipate hela sasa naweza na Jamaica.
Yeah.
Sasa kaa hapa.
Eh.
Kanairo kazi gani ya shema?
Oh my God, this guy loves Jamaica so much. Okay.
Lakini
Oh.
napenda hizi zingine zote.
Okay.
Bado na Kenya ile country napenda ni Jamaica.
Oh,
Jamaica. I'm in
Jamaica.
love with Jamaica.
Oh, tell my fans from Jamaica something.
Mimi napenda.
You love Jamaica.
Kozam kama ganja.
You are.
Mwenye bado. Mrasta.
Oh, well, you are Rasta.
Ile ni
Oh, when you are. Okay. Thank you.
Waro iko bana. Mimi ni Rasta.
Oh, you are a Rasta man in your heart. Okay, thank you so much. Claudia, what's on YouTube? Thank you. Tuongee kidogo wewe. Okay. Nani mwingine ananiita? I'll be right on training. That guy is calling. He has an umbrella. He seems to be so busy. Hi. You called me? People are so busy here. Guys, this is the situation here in Africa. Kenya. It's raining, it's raining. Thank you so much.
Salimia ujamaa.
Uko aje bro? Long time. Akisi wasalimie tu. Kwa nini?
I'm shy.
My God, you are shy. Imagine wanasikia hapo ukisema you are shy.
Ndio.
Okay, sawa. Hey bro, you good? I know it's because of the rain, but anyway. Huh? Yes, I'm fine. How are you? Do you love Jamaica? Oh, ambia watu Somali kitu. I don't want to film the
I'm shy.
You are shy. I don't know why, guys. These people are shy. Oh my God, it's raining. So let's keep on walking around. Oh, someone is calling me. Eh? Oh, you're calling me, bro. I've seen you calling me.
Someone is eating.
Hello. Oh guys, it's raining here. Wow. Yes, and I'm hoping the rains have stopped, but it's still drizzling. Someone is calling me, but I won't go. Yay! I'm happy to be here, man. So crazy. This is the situation here. Someone is calling me around here. Someone is calling me here, but oh, you good? I'm okay. I'm Claudia, works on YouTube. Yes, Claudia works on YouTube. You love Jamaica?
I love Jamaica so much.
And why
but I don't smoke.
Oh, okay. It does not mean that when you love Jamaica, you love smoking. What do you think Jamaica is trending? Actually, everybody is talking about Jamaica.
Anyway, I would like to go there.
You would like to go there?
I would like to go there and discover how Jamaica it is. So, you cannot say anything about Jamaica and you know nothing about it.
Oh my God! Can you tell Jamaican people something who are watching?
You are recording me? Seriously?
Tell Jamaican people something. Tell Jamaican people.
I love them.
Oh guys,
I'd
from
like to go to Jamaica one day.
African people love Jamaica.
Have a nice day.
You too, thank you, bro. Oh my God. Ooh. The situation. Look at these beautiful streets here in Isili, guys. Hi. You want me to come there? Guys, it's been raining, but it looks so good. Look at the beautiful apartments over here, guys. Very, very beautiful. Hi, how are you? You're good. What's your name? Maybe those who are watching want to know your name, eh? What do you think Jamaica is trending? Jamaica is trending in Africa.
Jamaica?
Yes, it's trending in Africa.
How? I don't know.
You don't know Jamaica is trending?
I have no idea.
Okay, do you love Jamaica?
Why?
Do you love Jamaica? Yes or no?
Why should I love Jamaica? I only love the athletes.
There?
Those you learn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
So, you're taking it?
Yes, I'm taking you.
Where?
Imagine utajiona kwa YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, the current situation. Someone is calling, guys. Yes, how are you? Come say hi to my fans. I don't know why most people from here love. Yeah. Yeah? I'm from Jamaica. Why? Jamaican living in Kenya. Serious? You know how the team go? No, I'm not a Luo. I'm not a Luo. Remember, we Jamaican people, we look like Africans. Yes. We are brothers and sisters. I'm not Luo. I am not Luo.
You're not a Jamaican.
Why are you man? Guys, I was showing you the current situation here in Nairobi, Africa. So guys, let's keep on working as we interact with people to know why Jamaica is trending. Everyone is singing about Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Oh my God, look at these guys are fighting. Look at these guys are fighting. I don't know why they are fighting. I don't know why they are fighting anyway. Oh, look at that beautiful bus, means of transport here in Kenya, Africa. And we love them. Hey, welcome to Nairobi, Kenya. So guys, I don't know whether I'm clear enough. It's raining here. Still drizzling. Oh, look at that beautiful mall here, the BBS Mall. One of the biggest malls in East and Central Africa. Yes. If you have not watched my video about that mall, please, you are missing a lot. If you have not watched my video about this beautiful mall here, this is the mall. Just know that, guys, you are missing a lot. Hi, bro. Oh, guys, look at this drainage over here. Ooh, I have to be careful. How are you? What do you think Jamaica is trending? Guys, okay. I just noticed that people from this street are kind of shy on camera. But anyway, I don't know what to say about it. But I'm loving everything around here. Look at this mall, man. Beautiful. Oh, look at this lorry. Let's keep on walking around as we interact with people. Oh my God, how are you? It's been long. Imagine. Utajiona kwa YouTube, utajiona kwa TV. What do you think Jamaica is trending? What do you think Jamaica is trending?
Jamaica.
Yeah, Jamaica is trending. You don't know? Jamaica inaenea. Kwa nini?
Inaenea kwa nini?
He's talking of weed, guys. Anything else? Claudia walks on YouTube. Claudia walks on YouTube. Okay, what else do you think Jamaica is trending in Africa? Bangi. Anything else? Wajakoya. Yes, here in Africa they call it, mostly in Kenya they call it Wajakoya. Yeah, and what do you think Jamaica is trending? Even you can't talk of the girls, man.
Talk, man. Everybody can see me.
Okay. Do you love reggae?
Yes.
You love reggae?
Yes.
Can you sing for us one reggae song?
No.
Hey, my God. Sing for us one reggae song.
No.
Hey. Imba.
Sasa hivi bana John kwa kazi madam John.
Kidogo tu naonyesha kidogo. Hakuna mtu anajua. Si unajua?
Bana John kwa wera tu.
Unaona hao wanajua. Hao wanajua because nimekuwa na wao.
Hiyo ni noma.
Thank you so much. So guys, let's keep on working. Hey, security here is tight. So let's keep on walking as we explore these beautiful streets of Eastleigh, Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm loving the view. It's so good. The view looks so good, man. Yeah. Oh, look at this mall. Guys, look at the traffic around here. Ooh. We have a beautiful apartment. Oh my God. Guys, this is California. We have California in Africa. Hello. How are you? You're fine. I'm Claudia Wong. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh, how are you? You're fine. Can you teremsha hiyo kidogo? Teremsha hii kidogo. Okay, sawa. Umepata customer? Oh, what do you think Jamaica is trending? Ingia tu, ina shida.
Nimepata mteja, niko na vitu nataka kuhojiwa. Vitu poa, vitu kali.
Ni post ama ni post kwa YouTube?
Ukitaka kupost mimi, ukitaka kupost kwa account ya vitu kali.
Wewe uko na YouTube?
Moto,
Unajiita nani?
Jalet, hebu uchukua namba yangu basi.
Chukua, simu iko mbali.
Alafu sasa
simu yangu iko mbali.
Ama wewe mwenyewe unakuja unanihoji una post.
Weka.
Inaweza kuwa dogo ngapi?
Weka hapo tu.
Mimi nakupatia job. Unakuja unanihoji, hapo kunihoji. Una post kwa account yako.
Ni sawa.
Kama ni TikTok kama hapo.
03 niko YouTube, na post YouTube. 328. Endelea tu. 03 328 076. Claudia Works.
Mimi ndugu ni moto.
Utaniambia hapo vile unajiita. Utaniambia hapo vile unajiita. Asiwezi sikia. Ndio hiyo tu. 0703282876. Ndio hiyo. Oh guys, look at this mall. So beautiful. So beautiful. Crazy. This is the current situation here in Kenya, Africa. It's been raining all over. Oh, yes, this is BBS Mall, guys. The biggest mall here in Eastleigh, in East and Central Africa. Oh, we have another street over here. Guys, why do you think Jamaica is trending in Africa? Why do you think Jamaica is trending in Africa? Just comment down below. Comment down below, hi. Just comment down below and let us know why Jamaica is trending. Imagine. I want to go on to Unataka kuchukuliwa? What do you think Jamaica is trending? These guys are calling. Why do you think Jamaica is trending? Tuanze na wewe.
Trending kama aje sasa?
Mbona Jamaica inaenea kila mahali? People are talking Jamaica.
Mimi hata sijui Jamaica ni nini.
Oh my God, unajua country inaitwa Jamaica?
Jamaica ni ngapo?
Ni ng'ambo.
Jamaica mimi najua kama ni kitu ambao wana muziki wa reggae.
Oh my God, you love reggae. Oh my
reggae,
God.
I love reggae, bwana, so much.
You love reggae so much.
Yes.
What makes you love reggae?
I love reggae because the instrument is very good.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Nini kingine unapenda kuhusu Jamaica?
Jamaica. But Jamaica naona watu wale wanamuziki wa reggae. Wanapiga ile kitu. Wanafundisha vizuri.
Jamaican artists know how to sing.
Yes.
Can you sing for us? One reggae song.
One reggae.
Yes.
Nani Kartel.
Any song, any unapenda sana. That song you love.
Love.
Yes.
It's Glenn Washington.
Tuimbie.
Kidogo tu nasema haya popote ni kidogo.
Tuimbie tu kidogo, tuanzishe kidogo. Oh, nitakusaidia.
Nisaidie. Hebu nianzishe kidogo.
One love, tuendelee. One reggae.
Reggae. Hiyo nani? Mr. nani huyo anaitwa Kokoti.
Tuimbie.
Huyo jamaa tena anakonifesa.
Si uache tu, tuimbe kamoja.
Ndani kabisa popote. Mawazo iko mbali.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Tuko pale kwa YouTube, Claudia Walks.
Sawa.
Thank you. Yes, guys. This is the mall I'm telling you about. Yeah. The biggest mall in East and Central Africa. Make sure if you come to Eastleigh, make sure you visit this mall. It's big. Hi. You're good. Oh my God. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to Claudia Walks. Yeah? Nimekuwa hapa hata nimewaadvertise business. We. Sasa. These guys are calling me. Nikuja huko. Mko sawa? Asante. So if you're watching for the first time or it's your first time to come across this channel, kindly subscribe. We are road to 5,000 subscribers. Even not 5,000, we are road to 10,000. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for. Look at the weather. Look at the weather here. It's so nice. So nice. Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Come, bro. Why do you think Jamaica is trending?
What?
Why Jamaica is trending?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica, the Jamaica land or Jamaica which?
The country.
The country.
Yes, it's trending. Why?
The Jamaica land, they just sell bangi.
Oh my God! Talking of weed.
Weed, yes.
Weed.
Of course.
You love weed?
I really love weed.
You take weed?
I take weed even from now. I want to take weed right now.
Right now?
Right now,
oh
yes.
My God.
I'm just going to take the weed. The other Jamaica land is
Oh
here.
my
Come,
God. We have a Jamaican
people
farm
come
here.
along.
You love Jamaica?
Just come along and talk.
Come and show you something.
Come, we come Jamaica land, man. Respect Jamaica, man.
Anything, what do you think? What else do you think Jamaica is trending?
So
Finally, I met a
Jamaica land.
Man, man. Can you assist me with your hat? I just want to wear. I want to take Jamaica. Yes. I love Jamaica so much. Do you love Jamaica? What do you think? What do you love Jamaica? Oh guys, look at this. Hey, Jamaica, 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 the Rasta man. Why do you love Jamaica? Nini napenda, nita translate. Mbona napenda Jamaica? Why do you love Jamaica? Oh, so it's in your blood. Oh my God, Jamaica is in his blood. Look at Apple, Claudia Walks. For YouTube, Claudia Walks. Yeah. Sawa. Say hi to my fans. Okay. I'm Claudia Walks. We do the same content with Dolphin 254. Tell Jamaican people something. Since Jamaica is in your blood.
Jamaica, damu yangu. Yani,
Waeleze tu. You love Jamaica.
Jamaica. Oh
my God. Jamaica is in your blood. Okay, thank you so much, bro.
Okay.
Okay. Sasa.
Nice.
Nice to meet you guys. If this is another Jamaica, we have another Jamaica here. Say hi. Oh my God, thank you. Say hi. Hi. Hey, I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube. Hi. Do you love Jamaica? Yeah. What makes you love Jamaica?
Because reggae.
You love reggae? Oh my God, can you sing for us one reggae song?
Nobody can stop reggae.
Hey.
Nobody can stop reggae.
Hey. Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Utajipata pale kwa YouTube kwa Claudia Walks. Make sure umemwonyesha Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks ile ya kutembea. Claudia Walks. Na mkomenda hapo ndo nijue ni nyinyi. Sawa sawa. Thank you so much. Oh my God. People here love Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. So crazy, guys. I want to go to the other side. Oh my God. Live from Easily. My name is Claudia, and if you're watching for the first time, kindly subscribe to this beautiful channel. Make sure you take me to 10,000 subscribers, man. Oh my God. So guys, because of security reasons, there are some security officers there, so I won't be going around there. So let's end this video at this moment. See you in the next one. Bye bye.